Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for all things automotive. If you're passionate about reliable SUVs and want to make informed decisions for your next vehicle, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us grow and bring you more amazing content on the best cars out there. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end. There's a special surprise waiting for you. All right, let's get started. Number 8. Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage is preferred for its stylish design, value, and reliability. Its standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine offers around 187 horsepower, while the turbocharged option delivers up to 240 horsepower for a more dynamic driving experience. Unique characteristics include a bold exterior design, a spacious interior, and advanced technology features. The Sportage also comes with a long warranty, which enhances its appeal to buyers seeking reliability. Its combination of comfort, performance, and value makes it a strong contender in the compact SUV market. Number 7. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is favored for its modern design, value, and comprehensive warranty. Its standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers about 187 horsepower, while the hybrid variant combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with electric motors for a combined output of approximately 226 horsepower. Unique to the Tucson is its user-friendly technology and safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems. The spacious interior and ample cargo space make it practical for everyday use. The long warranty period provides peace of mind, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious buyers. Number 6. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is preferred for its family-friendly features and spacious interior. Its 3.5-liter V6 engine produces around 295 horsepower, providing ample power for family trips. Unique characteristics include 3 rows of seating, making it capable of accommodating up to 8 passengers. The availability of a hybrid variant adds to its appeal, achieving around 36 miles per gallon in the city. The Highlander also comes with advanced safety features, making it a reliable choice for families. Its versatility and reputation for longevity further enhance its popularity among buyers. Number 5. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX appeals to luxury buyers looking for comfort and reliability. Its standard 3.5-liter V6 engine produces around 295 horsepower, delivering a smooth and powerful ride. Unique characteristics include its plush interior, high-end materials, and advanced technology features, such as an intuitive infotainment system and driver assistance technologies. The hybrid variant, with a combined output of approximately 308 horsepower, offers an eco-friendly option without sacrificing luxury. The RX reputation for reliability and customer satisfaction makes it a favored choice among luxury SUV buyers. Number 4. Mazda CX5. The Mazda CX5 is preferred for its sporty handling and upscale interior, offering a driving experience that feels more premium than its price suggests. With a base 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 187 horsepower and an available turbocharged option with up to 250 horsepower, it caters to enthusiasts who value performance. Unique characteristics include its stylish design, high-quality materials, and advanced technology features, such as a user-friendly infotainment system. The CX5's responsive steering and agile handling make it an engaging choice for drivers looking for both style and performance. Number 3. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is renowned for its all-wheel drive capability and safety features, making it ideal for those who enjoy outdoor activities. Its 2.5-liter flat-4 engine produces about 182 horsepower, providing a smooth and stable ride. A standout characteristic is its high ground clearance and rugged design, making it suitable for off-road adventures. The Forester also boasts excellent visibility and a spacious cabin, ensuring comfort for passengers. Its commitment to safety, with high ratings from organizations like the IIHS, further solidifies its appeal among families and adventure seekers. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is preferred for its spaciousness, comfort, and fuel efficiency. Its 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers about 190 horsepower, and its CVT enhances fuel economy, achieving around 28 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Unique to the CR-V is its configurable rear seats and cargo area, providing ample flexibility for transporting goods. The hybrid variant offers a combined output of around 212 horsepower, further attracting eco-conscious consumers. Its strong safety ratings and high-quality interior make it a top choice for families. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is favored for its reputation for reliability, practicality, and strong resale value. Its 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine offers around 203 horsepower, paired with an efficient 8-speed automatic transmission. One of its unique characteristics is the availability of a hybrid variant, which achieves approximately 40 miles per gallon in the city, appealing to environmentally conscious buyers. The RAV4 also features a spacious interior with versatile cargo space and advanced safety technology, making it an excellent choice for families and outdoor enthusiasts. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more great content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate you being here, and we'll see you in the next video.